Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a smart attendance solution using RFID technology. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So this is the main hardware overview of our project. In this part, we used here a node MCU as a microcontroller, then LCD with I2C, one RFID reader, one switch, and one single battery. And this is the name of our project, Smart Attendance Solution using RFID technology. So we used here for card, it's RFID card, and we use here three names and one is blank card. And now we will punch this one. That's why we need to power on this system. So it's showing initialization and then it will be show or order us to scan our card. So hello Mr. Robbie, and this data will be sent to our Google Sheet with date and time also. So it's a blank RFID card and there have no name found, and this punch time will be added in our Google Sheet but no name will be added here in name column. So it's another person and it will hello that person, and this data will be stored in our Google Sheet that will show here in left side. So this another person is Mr. Mehdi, and then it will be added in our Google Sheet. So now our RFID system will read here the card value, then that will be sent to our node MCU. Node MCU will be calculated and show in our LCD, and then that data will be updated in our Google Sheet. So we try it again. It's our blank card, and we try it again. The next person, it will be Mehdi. So it's showing hello Mr. Mehdi, and next person is Robbie. So he will punch it and hello Mr. Robbie. Data is sent it to our Google Sheet also. So this is the main procedure of this system, and in this system this LCD is used only for show the operation manually. This is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.